Hi there guys, my name is Korak and I want to tell you all, nothing makes me happier than having healthy and clear skin. This vitamin C face serum from the Man Company helps fight signs of aging and pigmentation and also gives me clear toned skin that is also healthy. Let me tell you more about it. This serum is fit for all skin types. The sulfate and paraben free formula boosts collagen and gives the skin a radiant, healthy glow. The powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins helps even out the skin and get rid of marks and blemishes. The hyaluronic acid promotes cell regeneration and deeply penetrates the skin to promote hydration and to keep it smooth. It also contains Moringa Oil that is a natural emollient. It helps in anti-aging and it works as an antiseptic as well. It also effectively evens out pigmentation, prevents hyperpigmentation and removes scars that have been brought about by acne. After cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser, apply a few drops to the forehead and cheek areas. Then, use your fingertips to gently massage the serum with circular motions until it's fully absorbed into the skin. For best results, use it every night before going to bed. So guys, radiant skin is just one serum away. The Vitamin C Face Serum from the Man Company. Hope you all enjoyed this video. That's all from me.